everyone. Welcome back. Today, I'm reading you another story called Learn to Read, Bird is Lost. This is Bird. Bird is sad. Tweet. Bird is lost. Can Bird find somewhere to stay? Tweet. A bee shows Bird its hive. Can Bird stay there? Buzz, buzz. Bird is too big for the hive. Bird cannot stay there. Tweet. A frog shows Bird its pond. Can Bird stay there? Croak, croak. The pond is too shivering cold. Bird cannot stay there. Tweet! A bunny shows Bird its burrow. Can Bird stay there? Honk, honk. The barrow is too dark for Bird. Bird cannot stay there. Tweet! A squirrel shows Bird its tree hole. Can Bird stay there? Check, check. The tree hole is too tight for Bird. Bird cannot stay there. Tweet! A robin shows Bird its nest. Can Bird stay there? Tweet, tweet. The nest is just right for Bird. Bird can stay there. Goodbye, Bird. Tweet, tweet. The end. Hope you liked this video. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.